So hi, we are here to meet one of our strategic partner for wiring harness, and now we'll be having a tour of their manufacturing facilities. And we'll be starting with the wiring harness facility here. So sir will be explaining what's being done here.
So we are the manufacturer of wire harness and cable assemblies. So I will explain very shortly. We received the raw material from store, so we'll keep it in the rack. So then our QC team will verify all the raw material is correct or not as per the customer requirement. So everything is okay. So we will put it like a format. So they will put it sign and signature. So next our first process is wire cutting and stripping machine. This is a very accurate. So we can do both the operation in a single machine. So this is from Shunigar maker, Switzerland. So once wire cutting is over, so we can go to crimping. If it is the crimping, so we will do crimping. Otherwise, if it is their soldering, so we will do soldering. It is go to directly soldering. So this is called open barrel crimping machine. So if it is a crimping, see, terminals are different and applicators are different. See, but machine is common for all the. So we have two machines. So this is called applicator. So we have the each applicator for each crimp terminal. If we can Molex or JST or Tyco, anything we can crimp by this machine. Only open barrel crimping tool. So after crimping, we will do the full test, because this is will identify that crimping is good or bad. So this full test is okay, then only we start the mass production. After crimping, so it is go to next stage. Next stage is our housing insertion. Here, after crimping, the tar wire inserted to the housing. It is coming like this. Routing. So this is called routing. So if it is a big sizes of harness, we will do 1:1 drawing like this. It is very easy to operate our employees, because no need to check every time in scale. So they will, this is 1:1 scale means it is measured is a 1:1 only. They will route it as per diagram and put the cable ties. So we have the very good equipments like after if it is a multi-core cable for doing stripping, so we are using this type of machines. This is also very accurate. We can do 1.5 mm to 15 mm stripping in this machine. So once production is over, so it is come to testing. So they will do the checking like continuity, visual inspection. So this is our testing area. Once production is over, so we'll keep the raw material finished goods here. So they will check it by here. So this is a Dynalab system. So we will do in this machine continuity. If it is there any open, shorting, anything, you can find out very easily. So once testing is over, so it is go to packing. So we'll do the individual packing, like we will use the plastic bags, then we will put it in the carton boxes, and we have identified the part number with customer PO number. That is mandatory for our customer requirement.